Hi everyone, this is just a quick video to show you how to set up a Screencastify. Now, this does presume that you've already installed the Screencastify application. You do that by going to the Chrome store and finding Screencastify. I'm just going to quickly show you how to do that. And then adding it to Chrome. Now, I've already added it, so I can't re-add it, but it will ask you to allow a number of things. So you need to allow access to your Google account and, of course, to your microphone and webcam. What I'm going to do is go up to the icon at the top here and click, and it will load Screencastify. Now, this is the free version, which allows you to record a 5-minute video. It doesn't really have much editing capability, so it really is a one and done type of thing. The upgrade to give you editing and unlimited recording isn't that expensive, but to start with, the free version is probably good enough for most people. Now, you've got a couple of options here about what you're going to record. Now, you can see here that my microphone is making is moving here, so it shows my microphone's plugged in, which is great. You can select other microphones, and you can also enable your webcam. Now, I'm just going to enable mine briefly. So you click enable, and you can select your webcam. Normally, it will select the only webcam on the computer. I'm just going to turn it off for a second, but I'll show you what that looks like in a minute. You can also choose to record your entire screen or one particular tab. Now, the advantage of doing one tab is the fact that you can flick between other tabs and it won't make any changes. It will be only focusing on one tab. Again, for ease and simplicity, it's normally best practice just to use desktop. You can also just record your webcam as well, so you can just record yourself. There are other ways of doing this, of course, using Hangouts Meet, but it's an option. I'm just going to choose desktop. Now, there are more options down here, which is worth making sure you've explored them. So it normally gives you a 3-second countdown. Do you want to record the system audio, which means the videos and noises? Now, sometimes you want to do that if you're sharing a video or something else, but maybe you don't want to do that either. Webcam is normally previewed in the bottom corner, so I'm just going to hide the option. So I'm just going to turn this on, and I'm going to do a very, very quick video just to show you the basics of this. So I'm going to click record. I am going to turn my webcam on, just to show you what it looks. I'm going to turn my webcam on, just to show you what it looks like. But personally, I don't use it that much, but it's totally your choice. Then I'm going to click record. The webcam appears in the corner there. Hello, everyone. You can see me there. And it's going to ask what screen. Now, on my machine, I've got more than one screen. I've actually got 4. But you'll choose the one you want. And it's important you click on that and then click share. It doesn't do anything to hit share. So there's lots of options to make sure you're not accidentally sharing something you shouldn't. So I'm going to click share. So this is the main screen I'm working on. And then 3-second countdown. And then it will start recording. And you've got this down the bottom just to remind you. You can hide that away if you want to. And now I can click between things. I can open up presentations. I can go to web pages. I can go to Google Classroom. I can pretty much do whatever I need to do and log in wherever I need to be. Okay, so this is some of my classrooms. So I'm just going to go back to here. So when you click stop sharing, it will stop the program. Now, not in the bottom corner here, depending on what screen you're using, will have some little controls, which you can then turn things on and off. The controls are also up here as well. So if you click up here, you'll see these controls. This is, of course, being recorded. That's the important thing. I'm just going to click. You can pause your recording if you want to. You can restart it or just bin it. I'm just going to stop this recording. And then what it does, it dumps you straight into a preview of your work, which you would normally be able to hear, but of course the sound is muted. And this is what's really nice about Screencastify. You can name it if you want to. It automatically names it as untitled. If you've got the pro version, you can open it in editor. But what you've got down here, I'm just going to pause that. And what you've got here is you can publish it to YouTube. If you're doing that, make sure you're publishing it as an unlisted video. That's good practice. But equally, you can share it to Classroom. which is really nice. So you can put it straight into your classrooms as long as you're signed in with your school account. Or you can get an embed code where you can embed it into a web page, which is nice. It automatically shares it. Or you can just copy a shareable link. And this is a really nice way of sharing videos you make with other teachers and students really quickly. So you can just paste that in. You can also download it, but for the most part, I would probably leave it in this system. Hopefully that's enough information. If you need some more help, go to the web page from screencastify.com. There are some nice guides and some nice videos you can also look at.